Yo, what's good, lads? Another day, another win. This is episode 8, I believe. I'm currently driving, so it's 8:20 a.m. And I just got done trading, took a little win today. Some lights, I'll just play. It was a good trade, followed my rules good, because yesterday I took a loss due to me not following my rules, so I did an extra workout because of that. But today I'm dialed in, followed my rules, followed my plan, was just disciplined overall. And yeah, that's the trade. And I'm going to school right now. It's 8:20 a.m. And today's agenda. Oh, so recently, I've been doing this new thing. I don't eat until I finish all of my work. It sounds dumb, but dude, I finish all of my work now, basically, in a more disciplined way. Why? Because I want to eat my food. So, if you don't finish all of your work, try that right now, bro. It's honestly a W hack, I'll be honest. So yeah, I'm going to school, learn mathematics, history. I'm learning about history about gay people, bro. It's stay safe out there, public education. But yeah, I get to learn mathematics and stuff. I'll be doing my deep work in there instead of that. So I'll maybe get some videos for you guys, maybe, perhaps. But other than that, just a bunch of trading stuff, content stuff, and gym. Overall, solid day. Upcoming, I already know it's going to be solid because every day is a good day. So, I won't be talking while I'm in school because that's kind of weird. But when I come home, I'll do a trading recap for you guys, explain my trade, why I entered, what I did good on, what I did bad at, and stuff like that. So, make sure to sub, join the free community link in the description, and hope you guys enjoy and have a lovely time watching this. And I'll be trying to make this as valuable as I can, because I don't want this video just to be entertainment for you guys. I want it to be valuable, because if not, it's a waste of your time, and it's, yeah, a waste of your time, because you're not getting value. So I'll be trying to sauce it up for you guys. And yeah, make sure to sub and join the free community link in the description.
You wait for that by selling your bus, you wait like an hour.
Oh.
You better plan that route.
But I swear, every time I
You
go
better download
home,
the app.
every time I go home, there are buses just sitting there.
Job training?
Yo, what's up, guys? So I just got home. I just got to the gym. I'm done with school. So I'm gonna hit the gym, I'm gonna hit some legs. Unfortunately, today is gonna be a terrible day at the gym. We just gotta push through it. It's leg day, push through it, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna hit some legs. Then I'm gonna go home, finish a little bit more work. I need to work on some content stuff, but other than that, I finished all my trading stuff. So that's good, W day at the school. I finished all my trading stuff. So yeah, trading, I finished. I'll put you guys on some trade recap when I get home. And yeah, I'm eating my orange right now and my kiwi and get that little pre-workout snack in. Feel me? Because I'm going to hit a devastating, sensational, astonishing leg workout. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying. Make sure to sub. And yeah, I probably said that like 10 times already. Hope you guys are having a splendid day. Laters. Yo, so I just got home from the gym. It was a banger leg workout. I'll be honest. It's a banger. My legs are cooked. So now I'm going to put you guys on the trade recap. And after that, I'm going to just do some work, like content stuff, and make some dinner, then do my second workout. And that's pretty much it for the day. So I'll see you guys in the trade recap. Yeah, so this is basically the trade recap, and I'm on my school Chromebook. Yeah. All right, so on the higher time frame, I was bullish actually, because we were in bullish market structure and just in discounted, and also we took out that low, and in this little market structure we're in OTE and discounted price. So I was bullish for the day. And on the 5-minute charts, we had a big drop down. And I was still bullish. Why? Because we were still in bullish market structure. And I just needed to wait until these get disrespected. So we had a big move up, retrace to this fair value gap. I was waiting to see how price reacted. So we had a delivery inversion. Boom, right there. I was convinced that the draw of liquidity was bullish with my so my strat is basically waiting until the draw of liquidity aligns with the higher time frame. Sorry, the draw of liquidity on the lower time frame aligns with the higher time frame draw of liquidity. And I thought the draw of liquidity on the higher time frame was this up here. Was this high. Because this was yesterday's high. So anyway, 5-minute chart, we had the inversion off that delivery and retracement. So let's go on the 1-minute chart. This is where I was precise with the entry. Sorry, I'm trying to zoom in. I apologize, guys. Oh yeah, on the 1-minute chart. After we inverse that 5-minute fair value gap, we had a retracement back in the discounted price. Boom, fair value gap, big momentum up, causing an inversion, and that's when I entered. I took some partials at this high, put stop loss at break even, and took the rest off up here at the 930 high, because the 930 high was a good draw of liquidity spot on the lower time frame for me. So yeah, that's basically my trade and why I entered. And also just deliveries off of 1-minute fair value gaps. So that's the trade. Hope you guys took value. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or DM me on Insta. And yeah. So now I'm gonna work on some content stuff probably. So I'll let you guys know the process of that and what video I'm making, just how it's going. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that trade recap, took value. Comment if you guys took value. And yeah. Yo, so I just finished with the kind of brainstorming type thing for the new video. And I also finished the rest of my chapter. I'm reading the Trading in the Zone book. It's low-key pretty good. I just listened to the audiobook on Spotify because I'm not dropping like $50 on the book. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little video about that. So for the YouTube video, I just did some brainstorming. I'm gonna build the video tomorrow. And here's my notes basically from chapter 4. It's low-key, solid chapter. And that's basically what I'm doing for the rest of the day. So what I did today. So I woke up, did my Devo, trading plan before trading, annotate the charts. This is post-trading, sorry. So I annotate the chart, annotate like why price moved, journal. That's when I did like the 5-paragraph or 6-paragraph essay about my trade today. Chapter 3 of Trading in the Zone. That's what I just finished. Get a new video idea and start brainstorming. I just brainstormed the ideas. And I also went to the gym. So conditioning, that's kind of my next little training session. So it's a bunch of like short sprints and stuff. And yeah. So that's pretty much my work stuff. It's currently almost 7 p.m. So I'm about to make dinner. Then after that, I'm gonna do my last workout, then take a shower, then probably watch a podcast or something, then probably head to bed. So I'll see you guys when I'm eating dinner and show you guys my banger meal. And this is what I have for dinner. So I have half a pound of ground beef, grass-fed, 3 eggs, blueberries, and a fruit smoothie. So I'm gonna munch that up, little quality dinner. Then after that, I'm gonna do my workout, basically just conditioning and stuff. I'm gonna hate it, but it has to be done. Just building up that discipline, you know? So I'll see you guys probably after that, and it'll probably be wrapping up the day, so yeah. Yo, so I just finished my conditioning / second workout thing. Overall, I didn't do too much. I mean, I did quite a bit. I said I was gonna do a bunch of sprinting and stuff. I just turned into a little like mini soccer practice, but it's whatever. But Saturday, that's when we go hard on those conditioning days. And Tuesday we had a banger one, so today, I just hit legs, so I'm cooked. But I'm sorry, my almond got stuck. I'm gonna take a shower, then head to bed, basically. It's like 9 p.m. right now, so I'm tired. I'm always tired at the end of the day, bro. We just be grinding every day, you feel me? So, overall, successful day. Accomplished quite a bit. Accomplished everything, actually, as usual. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. you guys take value. If you guys have any suggestions, feedback, recommendation, make sure to comment them. And if they're valid, I'll put in the next video or whatever. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Make sure to sub, join the free community, and follow the Instagram trading _ DGS. That's what it's called. So yeah, stay blessed and bye.